So this is the Sons of Gwalia open pit, and last night you can look across here and there was still a lot of lights there. You can hear the noises, there's still activity going on, mining going on way over there. There's the open pit. Pan around. This is the office and gift shop, but it's an assay office or something, assayist, people who analyse. There's a mine head, wooden mine head. When we come around, we look kind of into the sun. That's where Peter and Mary are, in Hoover house. So I've just got to come down these stairs that I'm on. Coming around here, looking into the distance, there's a Gwalia museum down here. That's the mine head. Looking back towards Hoover house and the assay office. This area's roped off. Here's a broken down old Chevy. And looking out here, that is Leonora. Well, actually, just nearby is Gwalia itself, and then off into the distance is the